Just a very, very quick video. We've been caravanning for 18 months and something else has just suddenly dawned on me because a car just went past and I noticed something on his wing mirrors and I thought, what's that? And then it dawned on me. So I'll just show you now. Your wing mirrors, your extending wing mirrors, I didn't know that if you undo them, you can just do that and leave them on your car. Tighten them up again and leave them on your car. Unbelievable. 18 months and I've only just realised that.